Greeting, and welcome guys. In the last video, we learned about Slider Factory Pro plugin installation. You can find the link below in the description or click on the card to view that video. In this step, we're gonna show how to create slider with Layout 3 and publish the slider on the page. Step 1. Log into your website. Go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page. Click on the Create button under the Layout 3 slider banner. First, give the name of the slider under the slider title text box. It is optional. Now, click on Add New Image Slides button to add the image slides into the sliders. You can change slide position by using drag and drop functionality. You can add slide title, description, and SEO alt text in each slide. The final step is save the slider with default settings. Go to the Save Slider button under the slider settings. Click on Save Slider button and copy the generated slider shortcode. Go to the Pages menu page and click on the Add New to create a page. Give a title for the newly created page. Add the copied shortcode into shortcode block. And publish the page. Click on View Page button to see the preview of the slider on the page. Our slider is ready to work. You can use navigation arrow to switch between slides. In the step 2, we will configure slider settings. Open the slider in Edit More. Go to the Slider Settings section. Using Width setting, you can set width of the slider in pixels and percentage. Height setting, you can set the height of the slider in pixels only. Design preset, you can select a pre-built design for the slider. Autoplay setting, enable or disable automatic slideshow. Autoplay speed, control the slideshow speed. Transition speed, control the slide changing animation speed. Gap between slides, specify the distance between slides. Slider navigation arrow, display the navigation arrow over the slider. Slide order by setting, allow to set the loading order of the slides into the slider. Using custom CSS setting, you can apply own design on slider elements. Click on Update Slider button. Go to Created Slider page and refresh the page. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 3 video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.